Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with Tam and Tram. Today we'll be making Súp Măng Cua, a Vietnamese crab and asparagus soup. It is super easy to make. You can find it at Vietnamese weddings and family gatherings, usually served on special occasions. So y'all, let's get right to it.
First thing we need to do is to make our broth. So to a pot, bring 10 cups of chicken stock to a boil.
And while it's heating up, let's prepare our other ingredients.
And if you're using canned white asparagus like we are, then drain the liquid from the can and give them a quick rinse, and then slice the asparagus spears into strips and set them aside. We're also using a can of quail eggs and frozen baby scallops, so go ahead and drain the canned quail eggs and thaw out the frozen scallops if you're using any. Next, I prefer to use just the egg whites from 5 eggs, so go ahead and remove the yolk and whisk the egg whites. However, you may use the yolk as well if you would like. And to thicken our soup, create a cornstarch slurry consisting of equal parts of 5 tablespoons of cornstarch and 5 tablespoons of cold water. Give this a good mix and also set it aside. Also, mince 5 cloves of garlic, dice 1 large shallot, and chop some green onions and set them aside as well. Once the soup comes to a boil, add in your asparagus because it takes the longest to cook. In the meantime, heat up some oil in a pan and saute your shallots and minced garlic until they smell good. And then add in the lump of crab meat and saute for another 1 to 2 minutes. Next, add in the crab meat we just sauteed, and using a spider, carefully add in the quail eggs and baby scallops. Once the broth comes to a boil, go ahead and slowly add in the cornstarch slurry while you're continuously stirring the soup so you don't get any lumps. And then slowly and gradually pour in the egg whites and stir in a circular motion.
Stir.
Now let's season our soup to taste. Add in 1 teaspoon of fish sauce, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon or MSG, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. And give this a stir to mix and a taste test and adjust the flavor to your liking. And if you like it thicker, you may add more cornstarch slurry to your soup. And finally, ladle this into a bowl, and before serving, garnish it with chopped green onions and sauté. And friends, here is the final product: Vietnamese crab and asparagus soup. Be sure to check out these other delicious recipes, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye!